I'm Steve Russell, general dentist, and at this point in my career, I'm doing 3 out of 4 days sleep and pain only, and I thank Steve Olmos and his system for diagnosis and treatment for that progression and really sort of career-changing trajectory for me. I first saw him speak about 6 years ago or so, and wanted more, so I took the mini residency and the motor nerve reflex testing course, and that really blew my mind and changed the way I evaluated patients, specifically those patients with pain. And I've been refining that practice over time and gaining confidence and getting better at it, and I'm really excited to take the MNRT course again this fall. Because I think it's going to really help me take that practice to the next level, and I know that that's going to translate to my patients having a more profound reduction in pain and dysfunction, because I'm going to be able to address more of their structural injuries and help them further along their journey of being pain-free and having normal function. So thank you, Steve Olmos, and your team for really changing the way I look at patients and evaluate them, get a diagnosis, and treat. Thank you.